Hi, this is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips Tech blog. Do you frequently find yourself opening the Windows Settings app to access the Bluetooth settings? If so, you might find it convenient to have a shortcut to the Bluetooth settings right on your desktop. That way you can quickly go right to that particular settings panel with a simple double click of the mouse. Windows 11 doesn't make it easy to create a desktop shortcut to individual settings in the traditional way, but it can easily be done if you know what to put into the location field. Here's how to create a desktop shortcut to the Bluetooth settings on a Windows PC. First, right-click on the desktop and click New Shortcut. Next, type ms-settings:"Bluetooth" into the location field. Click Next. Now type Bluetooth settings into the name field. Now you're ready to click Finish. And there's your Bluetooth settings icon, or shortcut. That's all there is to it. You now have a shortcut on your PC's desktop that will open the Bluetooth settings with a simple double click. There they are. If you found this tip useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch.